Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator? This is 3 to the power of 13 minus 3 to the power of 12. Now, first step, let's express 13 as summation of 12 and 1. We'll have 3 power 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is 13 minus 3 power 12. Consider this: a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Applying this here, this is 3 power 12 times 3 power 1 minus 3 power 12. So from here, I factor out 3 power 12. Then this divides 3 power 12, I have 3, minus 3 power 12 divides 3 power 12, I have 1. So from here, I have 3 power 12 times 3 minus 1, I have 2. So we need to find the value of 3 power 12 times 2. This means 3 power 12 times 2. Now I can express this 12 as summation of 10 and 2. I have 3 power 10 plus 2 times 2. Remember, a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Let's apply that here. We have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 2. And this gives us 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 is 9 times 2. We need to find the value of 3 power 10. That is 3 power 5 times 2 times 9 times 2. Now, a power x times y equals a power x power y. From here, we have 3 power 5 power 2 times 9 times 2. And this equals 3 power 5 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This is 9, 27, 81, 243. So this is 243 power 2 times 9 times 2. From here, we find the value of 243 power 2. This is just like writing 243 times 243. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 times 3, 12, 2 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. We add up. This is 9, 4, 20, 0, 2 add here 19, 9. This is 59049. So this will give us 59049 times 9 times 2. So let's multiply this out. 59049 times 9. 9 times 9, 81. You have 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4, 36, plus 8, 44. 4 carry over 4. 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4. 9 times 9 again, 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 5, 45 plus 8, 53. We have times 2 because there's 2 remaining here. We start over again. 2 times 1, we have 2. 2 times 4, we have 8. 2 times 4, we have 8. 2 times 1, we have 2. 2 times 3, we have 6. 2 times 5, we have 10. This is our final answer. So, our answer for 3 power 13 minus 3 power 12 equals, this is 1 million. Then we have 62,000. Then we have 882. And we have achieved this without the use of calculator. Kindly subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to drop a comment. Thank you and see you again in our next video. Goodbye.